Today, FarSight continues to demonstrate its leadership in the industry by now taking on the initiative of looking at resilience in our new homes. We look towards the future, both in energy efficiency and home resilience, and look at it as an opportunity to grow and build knowledge to deliver a better product to our customers for generations to come.
I love the term resiliency because after all, that's really what home building is about. When you think about it, you build a house and it's supposed to last 100, 200. There's lots of examples of houses that are 100 to 200 years old. But in today's world, we have to think about it a little bit differently because the nature of houses has changed. They're far more complicated and they're having homeowners who have much higher expectations of how houses work. So of course the home building industry needs to think about resiliency because the legacy for builders is houses that last for hundreds of years. The decisions they make today have a legacy of 100 years. And so the topic of resiliency in all its forms is vitally important to the sustainability and frankly the mindset of builders who are in this for the long term.
In my work with Natural Resources Canada, the LEAP team, I'm engaging with builders right across the country on the topic of what I'm calling sustainable resilience, and that is looking at the intersection of energy, carbon, and climate resilience. And so being here today, hearing the builders speak about the different climate resilience measures and also the energy conservation measures that they are looking at putting into this home is of critical importance and certainly right in line with the work that I'm doing. So I'm here today to listen and to learn and to hear from the industry on where they see opportunities, where they might bump into challenges, and how they're moving forward on resilience.
So I think what is going on with FarSight and what they're doing here is fantastic because it's demonstrating their commitment to learning and understanding, going into the unknown. We all have to learn and we all have to figure this out. And climate change hopefully won't be a problem immediately, but you never know how fast and how quickly it might sneak up on us. I've never experienced a winter colder than this in the Toronto area since I was a kid. And so who knows what's going to happen on the other side of this weather system.
It's really important that progressive builders engage in these types of projects where they try out new building practices. We need to have progressive builders like FarSight demonstrate to the building industry what works and what doesn't work. When they apply these practices, it helps us understand supply chains, what products manufacturers are willing to bring into Canada to support these types of practices. And currently, there are very few builders in Canada, very few new homes that are constructed using the types of practices that we're exploring in these sessions. And so having a builder like FarSight apply these practices, they'll in many cases be the first builder in Canada. This is really important, new information that we need to bring out to other builders and insurers and governments to help make sure that we can actually implement resilience practices across Canada.